Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable dishwashers, the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher and the Midea MDC22P1 ABB. Today, we'll explore their key features, specifications, and what sets them apart. If you're in the market for a compact dishwasher that fits your lifestyle, stay tuned as we dive into this comparison. When it comes to capacity, the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher can accommodate up to 4 place settings, making it suitable for small households or individuals. In contrast, the Midea MDC22P1 ABB offers a larger capacity of 6 place settings, which is ideal for families or those who frequently entertain guests. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your dishwashing needs, especially if you have a lot of dishes to clean after meals. The Hermitlux countertop dishwasher features 5 washing programs, including Standard, Fast, EKO, Strong, and Fruit Cleaning. This variety allows users to choose the best cycle for their specific needs. On the other hand, the Midea MDC22P1 ABB boasts 8 washing programs, which include additional options like Baby Care and Speed Wash. This expanded selection provides greater flexibility and efficiency in tackling different types of dishwashing tasks. In terms of water supply, the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher features a built-in 5-liter water tank, allowing for easy setup without the need for a faucet connection. This is particularly convenient for those living in small spaces or RVs. Conversely, the Midea MDC22P1 ABB requires a direct connection to a faucet, which may be less convenient for some users, but offers a continuous water supply during operation. Understanding these differences can help you choose the right model based on your living situation. In conclusion, both the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher and the Midea MDC22P1 ABB offer unique advantages depending on your needs. The Hermitlux is perfect for those seeking a compact, easy-to-use option with a built-in water tank, while the Midea provides a larger capacity and more washing programs for those who need flexibility. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.